video!
Unwrapping! Come on!
We're gonna start unwrapping it! I'm excited!
What did you get?
Kinetic sand!
Show them! Okay, can you open it? Can we see what's inside?
Okay. Where is... help, Mama! I cannot open it. The tools!
Show it!
This is the tools. There's more. Red sand! This is the sand. It's so heavy. More sand! I told you this spirit has 2 packs of sand. The other tool. Oh, the shape.
Oh, that's mine, thanks.
Can you open the manual? It looks like a manual. Can you get the scissors for me so I can cut it? Thank you.
Be careful.
I'm gonna try to open the tool first.
Okay, be careful. Always be careful.
Of the scissors, they're not even points.
Yeah.
You might get hurt.
Okay.
Can I feel the red sand?
Yeah.
I never feel this before.
How does it feel?
Let's put it on the table. Oh my gosh. This is epic sand. Whoa. My first time touching. Hey,
Here's your...
this. Listen. You can also mix this.
Here.
First, you're gonna separate them. I don't want them to mix. I already have blue sand, but not this kinetic sand. Now I can make ice cream. Mama, look, the ice cream is so cool. This is my first time. This is my first time. I'm so proud.
That's the use of that one.
How about this? I know you're gonna spin it. Where do you feel it?
Let's try.